Hi students, today we are going to discuss about looping statements in C language. First of all, you have to know what is meant by looping. In C language, loop is a control structure that repeats a group of steps in a program. Why we require this looping in C language means generally in most software, the statements in program may need to repeat for many times. At that time, looping statements are used. In C language, there are three types of looping statements. They are while loop, do while loop, and for loop. So let us discuss one by one. The first one is while loop. Before using while loop, first of all you have to learn the syntax of while statement. So what is the syntax of while statement in C is while. In normal brackets we will write condition and then flower bracket. In between flower brackets we will write the statements. So what is the meaning of condition in while statement is, it is used to control the loop. The statements will be repeatedly executed until the condition becomes true. So this is about while loop. You can write a program, any program, by using this while syntax. Next, coming to do while loop, also we must follow the syntax of do while loop in C. Do flower brackets, and in between flower brackets we will write statements, and then we will write while condition. So in this loop also the statements will be executed. But what is the difference between while loop and do while loop is, in while loop the statements will be executed whenever the condition becomes true. But in do while loop, in between the flower brackets, whatever the statements are there, the statements will be executed once without any condition. So that is the main difference between while loop and do while loop. The same program can be written using do while syntax also. Next, coming to for loop, what is the syntax of for statement is, for initialization, condition, increment or decrement, and in flower brackets we will write statements. See, initialization. What is the meaning of initialization? Here the initialization will assume some value, that is nothing but initialization means the starting value of the loop control variable. The condition tests the value of the loop control variable, whereas the increment or decrement operator will update the loop control variable. So what is the advantage of for loop when compared to while loop and do while loop is, in a single statement itself we will write initialization, condition, increment or decrement. Whereas in while loop and do while loop, first we will initialize the value and then we will write some condition, and then later in statements we will write increment or decrement statements. So we can also write the same program using for loop. So whenever you write the same program using for loop, by using for loop in a single statement itself, we are assuming some value, that is I equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Here I equal to 1 is initialization, whereas I less than equal to 5 is condition, and I plus plus is increment or decrement variable. So this statement will be executed until the condition becomes false. So in this example, we are printing the numbers from 1 to 5. So this is the advantage of for loop, whereas in while loop and do while loop also we can write the same program. So that is the main difference between while loop and do while loop. The statements will be executed only whenever the condition is true in while loop, whereas the statements will be executed once in do while loop without any condition. Thank you.